Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's get right into this. So this is a dog kennel. I absolutely love this thing. It has a beautiful wood top. It really matches like our decor in our house. It has this sliding farmhouse door. It is really big, but it also allows your dog to still see out of the side like that, so she can see all the way through. But then at nighttime, I do like to shut the door, and it does lock as well. So you can see right here, it has a latch where you can actually lock it. I'm trying to do this sideways, and you can see like you can't open it. And unlock it. So I have my Pomeranian in here, but you could actually fit a medium to a large size. You can see it actually goes up pretty high. I think I could even, probably not my German Shepherd, but my like Border Collie would have no problem in this. It's a really good size. It also comes with a drawer. I just put some of her, some dog leashes in here. And then this was an instruction manual on how to put it together. It shows step by step. My husband actually put this together for me. This is really, really nice. I really highly recommend these if you're looking for a nice dog kennel for your house. This is a lot better than those like little plastic cages. It looks really nice. And my dog loves it. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.